Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete conversation on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So by default, after passing some time, like conversation will be automatically deleted. And of course, it really depends on the working space settings. And from there, you will be able to add such things. So if we go to this working space, we can go to the tool in settings, and from there you can have this administration tool to manage these messages. Now, if you want to manually delete the messages, you can simply go to any, for example, here, and basically by closing a conversation, you will be able to start deleting it. So as we can see, if we go uh, to this conversation, and basically it is with myself, we can only find delete messages, like to delete only a specific message. And if we go to a simple channel where we have some message, for example, this one, and go here, we will be able to only have this leave channel. So simply we can go to edit settings, and from there we can simply search for something to start deleting the messages. And basically, we can also start archive the channel for everyone, or you can simply delete this channel. But deleting this channel will just make this channel disappear and won't delete the whole conversation. So one of your choices or like options is to leave and archive the channel, since you are the operator or admin of it, or you can simply start deleting them manually by clicking on delete message, and that's it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, see you next time.